Hello, scholars. As we are discussing different type or different topics from very important aspect of your question paper, that is writing skill. And in this session, we are going to discuss about it's a very common activity that we used to perform on the certain kinds of celebration or occasion, that is speech writing is there. Okay. Now speech is being delivered on the various occasion in the school or on the different kinds of platforms, but we should know the proper way of speech writing, what points should be mentioned there, and how the speech should be addressed to the speakers. These things we have to learn in this session. So without making any kind of delay, let's begin. Now, what is there? The speech writing you will be given on a certain situation when speeches have to be made. Definitely. Just like if there is any kind of occasion in the school, at that time we used to deliver the speech, particularly the celebrations, just like national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Maharashtra Day, Maharashtra Foundation Day, we can call it, as well as so many other occasions are there. At that time, we are celebrating birth anniversary, death anniversary of different leaders, right? And all other occasions, we are delivering the speech, right? Here in the examination, certain situation is given there in order to write the speech that you have to made on. Okay, when you make a speech, you use direct statements. So this is very important. Now you should use the direct statements, that is, you address the audience directly. Yes, when you are giving the speech means you are directly addressing to the audience. You may also use the some few rhetorical questions for the purpose of emphasis, right? Rhetorical questions can be asked, rhetorical questions can be used while delivering, while writing the speech is there. These questions are only for the emphasis purpose. You may also use comparison, contrast to make your speech vivid. Vivid means to add beauty, to add variation to your speech. You can make the comparison, right? Contrast between the two situation, more than two situation, that will make your speech vivid, right? It will add variation to your speech. Next, when the speech is delivered, at that time you follow something new. That speech should begin with an address to the person presiding at the meeting. Yes, presiding at the meeting means definitely what some chief guests are there, right? Presidents are there, right? Some dignitaries are also there. At that time you should mention them, you should address them also. So what you have to do is there an address to the person presiding at the meeting, or the dignitaries, invitees present on the stage and dais, and to the audience in general. In this way you have to start, you have to begin your speech, right? And the next is there, you should end off your speech with the proper lieu taking expressions such as thank you, Jai Hind. Yes, it should end off with the proper lieu taking expression such like or such as thank you, Jai Hind. Now, depending upon the nature of the topic, you have to consider while concluding your speech. The main body of the speech can be written in the two or three paragraphs consisting of the different aspect of the subject. This is most important there. Yes, the main body of the speech should be written into two to three paragraph, right? Consisting of different aspect of the subject. You have to follow them. In this way, we have to write the speech, and this is very common practice for you because on various occasions you have given the speech and therefore it is not new for you. Now let us see the marking scheme, how the marks are given there. All the topics that we are considering in the writing skill, they are offering you 5 marks each. Similarly, speech writing, if you are going to attempt this activity, then there is a this question, this activity is also asked for the 5 marks is there. So here you can see, but how these 5 marks are divided we will see now. 1 mark is given for appropriate beginning and conclusion. So look at now, beginning and conclusion, 1 mark, right? Letter, body of the speech, what should be there? You should use or use of the given points and additional points and appropriate use of the language, it will offer you 2 marks, right? Given points and additional points if you are using and you are presenting them in a systematic manner, then you will get 2 marks. Appropriate sequence and flow of the language, that is also most important there. For this you will get 1 mark. And the last one is the use of appropriate grammatical structure, which is very compulsory and unavoidable part of the language writing. It will also offer you 1 mark. So in this way the 5 marks are allotted for this activity based on the speech writing. As you are practicing, you are participating and delivering the speech on the various occasion, I feel this activity is quite easy for you. So that's all in this session. Thank you.